Need help with writing the ultimate product description or the perfect response to a customer? Well, now you can do it easily with the new feature that Alura just rolled out called AI Assistant. Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Nancy Badillo, and I am the founder of the Etsy Mastery course. I'm thrilled to have you join my community of Etsy sellers. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to write engaging descriptions and customer responses when you use Alura's new feature, AI Assistant. Like me, if you struggle with writer's block, this feature is for you. Now, this video will be broken down into what is Alura, how to access AI Assistant, and how to use it. So let's get started. What is Alura? Alura is a powerful tool for Etsy sellers looking to grow and manage their business. This all-in-one solution provides a range of features, including an intelligent product listing assistant, keyword research, detail analytics, intuitive order management system, and much more. With Alura, Etsy sellers can streamline their operations, optimize the listings for maximum visibility and sales, and better understand their customers and market. So whether you are starting out on Etsy or looking to scale your existing store, Alura is the ideal tool to help you achieve your goals. So make sure to try Alura for free today. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below. What is Alura's AI? Alura's latest feature is a game changer for Etsy sellers looking to streamline their customer support, product description, and review responses. With this advanced IA technology and customizable templates, Alura will save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. So whether you are a busy seller or just starting out, Alura is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to streamline their operations and improve their customer experience. What templates are included with AI Assistant? With Alura's AI Assistant, you will be able to pick from any of these templates. Customer support answers. It crafts the perfect response to any customer support case. Product descriptions. Create compelling product descriptions for Etsy listings. Review responses. Write the ultimate response to customers' review. Let me show you how it works. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to Alura and log in. If you currently don't have Alura, like I said earlier, I will leave my referral link right below this video so you could try it out for free. Now, once you're logged in, you want to go into the dashboard here and go all the way down where it says AI Assistant. And once you come here, you're going to have the option of these 3 different templates. These are the ones that we talked about a few seconds ago. You're able to craft customer support answers. You're able to create product descriptions and also review responses, which is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and test out all 3. So let's start with customer support answer. So when you click here, here is where you're going to have or add the last message from your customer, whatever they message you about. So let's say that I have a customer that's asking me, where's my package? I need to receive it before Saturday because it's a birthday gift. You will add that here, and then down here, you could customize the response with the name, which I highly recommend, and go ahead and click on generate. This automatically is going to go ahead and generate a response for you based on what you put in here. So this is a response that it generated. I understand your urgency and I apologize for the delay in receiving your package. I will track down the whereabouts of your package right away. We are doing our best to get it to you by Saturday. As a temporary solution, I'll be more than happy to provide a digital card redeemable on Etsy so you can still give a birthday present on time. Thank you for your patience as we work quickly to resolve this issue. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to go ahead and give somebody something for free. You could always tweak this and remove what you don't want. It's not 100% perfect, but it definitely does help you, especially if you suffer from writer's block like I do, and you're like, okay, how do I respond to this? This is definitely going to help you. As you can see, it didn't add the name, so make sure that when you are responding, you do personalize your message with their name. So let's go on to the second one. So the second one is the product description. So you could come in here and create compelling product descriptions for your Etsy listings. So the first thing you need to do is tell AI, what is your product about? So I wrote a quick description here for mine, and it's a silver fidget ring to help cope with anxiety and stress. The fidget ring adjusts to your finger size and is super discreet. And then what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to add my focus keywords. Now, whatever keywords that you're trying to rank for on Etsy, you want to add them here. And it's going to add them naturally or organically, right, within the context of your description, which is ultimately what you want, because that's how you optimize your listing for higher visibility on Etsy. So you definitely add your keywords here. Make sure that you write a really good description here about your product. Make sure that you write as much as you can and go ahead and click on generate. This automatically is going to go ahead and write a description of whatever information you put here, and is also going to include these keywords as organically as possible within the context of the actual description. So give it a few seconds here while it pulls up. And here is the actual description. If you're looking for a discreet, stylish stress coping tool, look no further than the stylish fidget ring made of solid sterling silver. This anxiety jewelry is the perfect way to help you get through stressful times without drawing any attention to yourself. The design is slick and modern, yet very discreet. Nobody will know that the ring not only looks beautiful, but also serves a purpose. This is amazing. I mean, this is exactly what I wrote, but just in very, very detailed. As you can see, it wrote a really nice description. And then if we try to find those keywords, anxiety jewelry is right there. Let's check for the next one. One of the keywords I wanted was fidget ring, is right there. Is right there. And then the other one is stress coping tool. So it did add the keywords organically within the context of the description, which is really cool. And then the keyword is here. So this is really great for when you're needing to write a product description, but also optimizing it for SEO, because it does it automatically for you. So I highly recommend it. Now let's go on to the next one. The next template that we're going to be using is the review responses. And this helps you respond to customers' review. So let's say a customer left you a review and they said the ring was too small. Go ahead and type that in here and then put in their name. So you could generate a personalized response and go ahead and click on generate. This automatically is going to generate a response for that customer. And keep in mind that when you're responding to customers, you should do it privately first and try to see if they will go ahead and change the review before you reach out to them publicly. Always remember that. Now here is automatically adding the name, which is perfect, and it's saying, thank you for bringing this issue to our attention. I'm sincerely sorry that the ring was too small. It's important to us that our customers are happy with their purchase, and I apologize for the inconvenience. This is great. We could provide a return label, and once the ring is returned, we will be able to ship out a more suitable size for you. As soon as the original order has been received, we will send you a new ring free of charge. Is there anything else that I could do? Please do not hesitate to reach out. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and I'm happy to answer any additional questions you might have. So this is a really great response. It doesn't necessarily mean that you do have to send one for free of charge. It's really up to you. This is just a template that you could use to kind of get started the conversation if you need help. So as you can see, these templates are a game changer, and it's definitely going to help you save time and energy when you're responding, especially to customers that are frustrated or upset about their orders. So there you have it. Like I said earlier, Alura's latest feature is a game changer for Etsy sellers. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like and let me know in the comments below if you plan to use it. Thanks for watching.